Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zoho Campaigns for email funnel optimization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Zoho Campaigns, open your web browser. Navigate to the Zoho Campaigns website. Click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. Fill in the required details, such as your email address and password. After completing the form, click on sign up to create your account. Check your email for a verification message from Zoho. Click the link in the verification email to activate your account. Once activated, return to the Zoho Campaigns website. Log in using your newly created credentials. On the dashboard, locate the Audience tab on the left sidebar. Click on Audience to begin setting up your lists for email campaigns. Select New List to create a new email list. Fill in the necessary details, such as list name and description. After setting up your list, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Click on Create Campaign to start designing your email funnel. Choose between regular campaign or A/B test campaign based on your needs. Customize your campaign by adding an engaging subject line. Utilize the drag-and-drop email builder to create your email content. Incorporate images, links, and call-to-action buttons as needed. Once your email design is complete, proceed to the Recipients section. Select the email list you created earlier for this campaign. Review your email settings and content for accuracy. Next, choose your sending option, either send now or schedule for later. If scheduling, select your preferred date and time. Finally, click on the Send or Schedule button to launch your campaign. Monitor the campaign's performance through the Reports tab after it has been sent. Analyze metrics such as open rates and click-through rates to optimize your future funnels. Regularly update your email lists and content based on these insights for continued improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.